Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek forex analysis from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So in this video I'm just going to discuss two pairs only. Why? As you can see, EURUSD from the last weekly analysis last Sunday has already been activated and so far running in around 26 pips of profit. Pound USD, guys, as you can see, thankfully a sniper entry, and actually the pair has activated our signal yesterday only and currently running in 32 pips in our favor. AUDUSD has also been activated. As you can see, the reversal occurred at 0.660 with a very precise sniper entry and currently running in around 40 pips in our favor. USDCAD, as you can see, guys, is gonna almost be triggered by just 11 pips far away from the entry. Meanwhile, the USD JPY, as you can see, has already exceeded the TP without actually triggering our buy level. And for the Bitcoin, we did not have any signal last Saturday. That's why, guys, I cannot really send any updates about the first four pairs because actually they are just now being activated and they are just very close to the entry right now. So therefore, let's now jump directly to the USD JPY. Alright, so now let's see what we can do next with this pair. So right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, first of all, let's now delete the old signal. And let's now move to the daily chart. So now daily chart shows us a very strong bullish momentum, as you can see, and it seems like the eventual target for the USD JPY is going to be the resistance at 157.530, which means the pair still has around 80 or actually 90 pips more to go. So where exactly is going to be the best level to consider buying again the USD JPY? Let's now move to the 1-hour time frame. Alright, so now based on the 1-hour time frame, what we can see right here, my friends, is clearly a broken level of a resistance, trend line number 1, number 2. And also, on the left side, we can notice it clearly right here, a strong key level of a support zone. That all tells us that the USD JPY actually has good chances to drop even more to retest that level of a real support, which, by the way, was actually the peak of the real resistance as well. And from that point onward, USD JPY most likely will continue the rise. But we need more confirmation on that. So let's now seek the help of Fibonacci retracement. Simply let's draw the Fibonacci from this high to this low, as you can see. Fantastic. Check this out. It actually pointing almost at Fibonacci 50. So that, my friends, is going to be our entry. And by the way, Fibonacci 50 is also right here, the same level of the key level of a support and almost the resistance as well. So all of that says that the Bitcoin, sorry, I keep saying Bitcoin, the USD JPY most likely will reverse right at this point right here. Therefore, let's consider buying exactly at 156.221. And in this case, and since actually we are mainly relying on this level of a support and these two supports as well as a maximum drawdown, therefore our stop loss is going to be a little bit lower than the key level of a support at 155.626, which means it's going to be around 57 pips against 133 pips in our favor. Let me now please write this signal for you. Now that will be all, my friends, for the USD JPY. Let's now finally move to the Bitcoin. Alright, so now let's move to the daily chart and see what we can do next with the Bitcoin. So actually I would like to move even to the weekly chart. Alright, so right now what we are seeing is the weekly chart. Now let's keep in mind, it's Wednesday already. And the current price action that we have right here based on the weekly chart still somehow seems to be bullish. It definitely doesn't seem bearish. And also the pair has actually made here a breakout from the key level of a resistance right here, and also seems to be so far respecting the support exactly at, let me just see it for you guys, the support exactly at 89113. So far I don't see any bearish fall on the Bitcoin. But again, let's keep in mind that this is very random market. I hate crypto market, guys. It's just so random, and it's mainly being driven by the supply and demand and the trending, and that's it, the trends only, to be honest with you. It doesn't really rely on the news or anything else like that. However, The next bearish fall, if everything went well, supposed to be right here exactly at the test of the broken level of a support at 100,222. That being said, I'm actually expecting the Bitcoin to remain bullish until it reach this level of a previous support. And hopefully, maybe it will later on break out from it. But until then, we can consider buying the Bitcoin. So let's now move to the 1 hour time frame. Alright, so now based on the 1 hour time frame, I can see clearly right here a strong level of a support exactly at 90904. And as you can see, it was indeed a strong key level of a support in the past. However, what more importantly to me is the broken level of a resistance strong line, as we can see. So here we have resistance strong line number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. Check this out. That really looks good. So meaning that level of a resistance strong line with 4 attempts most likely will be retested, and then the Bitcoin most likely also will continue the rise. That being said, let's consider buying the Bitcoin exactly at 90904, and in this case our stop loss should actually be just a little bit lower than the key level of a support at 87564, and our TP in this case, my friends, should actually be exactly right here at the previous level of a support, which we actually have talked about already at 98819. Let me now also write the signal for you. And that will be everything, my friends, for the midweek analysis. So far, everything is going well. Thankfully, as we can see, even the other signals are running right now is actually even more profit. Hopefully, everything is gonna be going well. Even the gold deal of the day has actually been activated with the sniper entry and went in total of 300 pips before finally going right now within actually 120 pips. So far, it has actually been a really good week for Xtreme trader family. So guys, in the end, please don't forget to join also our free channel of Telegram to stay connected to Xtreme Trader to receive all updates about these signals that you're receiving here on YouTube. The channel name is Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.